After my date and I finished eating, I said it was still early, so let's go to the mall. There, I saw a bag I liked, a few thousand yuan. When I tried it, he said, "This bag suits you, matches your outfit." At payment, he expected me to pay. I was surprised and said, "Shouldn't you buy it for me?" This cautious guy actually said, "This is only our first date, and we don't even know if we're right for each other yet. Why should I buy you a bag?" Then the cashier said, "Hello, here's your bill. The total is 5409 yuan. Will you be paying with WeChat or card?" Paying here, huh? Clearly found the wrong person. April.
What does that mean? Why give it to him? What does this mean? Why is he giving it to me?
I didn't need a bite. Wasn't it you who ordered all that expensive fish and beef? And those big lobsters and piles of crayfish? I didn't eat any. If I don't make you pay, who else should? Why should I pay? What's the reason? When a man and woman eat together, is it always the man who has to pay? What, because he's a man? Is a man supposed to be a sucker, letting you get a free meal? If you can tell me my name, I'll pay for this bill. Do you even know who I am? If you're not paying, who are you waiting for? Do you really have the nerve? What, am I supposed to owe you? Just because you can't afford it doesn't mean you can talk nonsense. Eat what you want, but don't say what you want. Who are you calling? Everything he ordered. Didn't my sister downstairs bring it all up for me? Everything he ordered if I want another serving. Do you get what I mean? Weren't you saying I can't afford to eat here? Are you even worth 5409? Oh, do you have the stomach for that? Can you even eat 5409 worth of food? Can you even digest that much? Go over to him. It has nothing to do with me. Isn't it thanks to you that I have to put up with so much? So much drama, huh? Well, let's talk then. Is there anything left to discuss? Haven't we already talked about everything?
Yeah, I just wanted to talk to you. Then let's talk here. Let's have Jingwen join us too.
Let's salvage it. Go ahead.
So what do you mean? Really, bro? Can you sell this order or not?
That can't be changed, right? I've made my reasons very clear. We don't even know each other, and you just keep ordering stuff for me to buy. I'm not some rich kid. I only ordered a few dishes with you. What kind of family dares to be this welcoming these days? I just felt way too awkward. Oh, but what else could I do? I can't pay for it. Not that I don't have a reason not to. We're on a blind date, and you didn't even choose me. If we ended up together today, fine, I'd pay. But we didn't, right?
I just think, well, if we ended up together, then what? Did we actually end up together?
Just for one meal, and suddenly we're supposed to be together? Is it really that serious? Can a family member or friend come over and help pay? If I could pay, would I even need to say all this to you? So what do you mean now? Are you just giving in to life? Then just buy a bag yourself and don't act like we're together. After I pay the bill, you'll just call me an idiot, call me a sucker. So after I pay, you can just leave with me, right? Are you going to go or not? Is it whatever I say goes or what? If we're together, does that mean you're my girlfriend now and whatever you say goes? So are you going to be my girlfriend now? Sure. Sure, you can fall in love with someone just because of one meal? Just like that? Even if you didn't feel anything for them before? But if you don't pay the bill, what am I supposed to do? What?
Well, I can leave too. Whatever, it's all fine. Just watch.
Okay, just so you know, this is all on video. We agreed on this, and if you have even the slightest change of heart, just wait and see what I'll do. So now, I'm asking you, are you my girlfriend now? If we don't hold hands, does that mean it didn't work? It worked, right? All right then, sorry, that's not really a problem, is it?
Let's go, girlfriend, let's go. When it's time to pay, you tell her to put it on my table, and after we finish eating, we'll leave together. Altogether, we spent 5,000 yuan, and she still didn't want to pay. The first time I met her, I brought my best friend along, and we accidentally ordered too much food. When it came time to pay, she only took out 2,000 yuan. She said since she's the man, she'd pay an extra 1,000 and the rest we'd cover. Not more. I've never met a man like that. And when we were heading back, she didn't even drive us, just left my friend and me there. That's when I realized I'm just a jerk. She must be Dudu, right? I'm all about Dudu, aren't I? Hey, nice to meet you.
That's you. You look just as beautiful in person as in your photos. The menu the waiter brought is as smart as you. Let's order, okay? Don't waste time. Are you sure, miss? Wait, what are you doing? It's just us. Can we eat this much?
It's just a little food. Can't you afford it? Then why come out for a blind date? Waiter, what about the wine? Open a bottle and hurry with the dishes. Miss, the wine is on our menu. 2,088 yuan per bottle. 2,000? What do you mean? Do I look like I can't afford it? That's not what I meant. All right, just bring it to him. Please wait, miss. I value ceremony. This is how I usually go out. Places like this Japanese restaurant aren't special. I eat at places like this all the time. Wow, really? I also have high standards for quality of life. You need to keep up with my expenses. It's natural for a woman to treat herself well, and choosing a nice place is normal, right?
Ah, yes, that's right. But looking at what you're wearing, I think what I'm wearing is pretty average, right? I'm doing okay. I have a car and a house. And my annual salary is around 600,000. What?
You only make that much? Oh, wow. Then I guess it's not some luxury car or mansion. I shouldn't have come today. No, I mean, did I disappoint you or something? Sorry about that. But seeing how high your spending is... What do you do for work? Office clerk. Just eating this meal would cost your whole month's salary, right? Isn't that annoying? Why not find a rich partner? Men earn money for women to spend, right? Many men want to pursue me and spend money on me. Enough talk, let's eat. I'm hungry. Okay, you go ahead. Thank you. Enjoy. Hurry up and eat. Aren't you hungry? I'll take a photo first. Let me go ahead. Could you move aside? I'm just taking my moment. Alright, let's hurry up and eat. Smells so good, I believe this will be great.
I'm done eating. To be honest, you do. In this situation, I'm not really interested in you. Honestly, I feel the same way. I'm not interested in you either. Alright then, I'm going to head out first.
Hey, hold on a second. Since our blind date didn't work out, and I've already had the meal, why don't we just split the bill? What do you say?
Did I hear you right? Splitting the bill? That's a turnoff. A man on a blind date who always wants to split the bill. I'm not interested in that.
But you're not interested in someone so average, right? With your high spending, you still expect me to pay? Isn't that unreasonable? You're not expecting me to pay for everything, are you? I know you can afford this, right? Those were your words just now. Who are you looking down on? If I can't afford it, I'll ask the waiter to pay, so why don't you pay? Hey, how much did each of us eat? The total bill is 4,305 yuan. Here's the receipt, 4,305. So it's 2,175 each. 2,175, right? Let me call.
Dalu, do we still have any side dishes left? Sir, let's split it. Half of the crab roe each. Ah. Can the restaurant take credit cards? Oh, you can? Ma'am. All right. Please don't forget to like the video. Oh, dear. So at this point, this credit card.
Take the credit card. Over and talk to them.
Jealous, right? Okay. You're saying, yes, just charge us half. Not more, okay? I've paid. Now it's your turn. Hey, you're not going to say you can't pay, are you? Of course I can. Done yet?
It's done. Ma'am, your share has been charged, right? Yes, then I'll give you my card for my share. This is my share. And here's a 50% off coupon for our restaurant. Let me check. Yes, it's from your earlier promotion. Can I still use it? Oh, it's valid. If not expired, that's fine. Are you serious? Are you messing with me? Thanks, I'll leave now. Don't go. On a blind date, someone brought...
Liu met a girl through an introduction, and the two agreed to meet at a high-end local restaurant. But who would have thought that the girl would bring 23 relatives and friends along to show support? As soon as this large group sat down, they started ordering dishes like crazy, delicacies from land and sea, table after table. If you didn't know better, you'd think they were hosting a banquet out. After eating and drinking their fill, a bill of 20,000 yuan was presented to them. Liu was dumbfounded, and in the end pretended to go to the restroom and slipped away. To save face, the woman had no choice but to grit her teeth and pay the bill herself. Afterwards, she took Liu to court, demanding reimbursement for the meal expenses she had covered. The court held that the woman bringing 23 relatives to the dinner had clearly exceeded Liu's reasonable expectations. Moreover, expecting Liu to bear the high expenses caused by the woman's relatives indulging themselves is clearly against the principle of fairness. In the end, the court rejected the woman's claim,